Hey everybody, it's Jason Malham with the Malham Agency, and if you've followed me for a while or spoken with me on the phone, you know I talk about the big three features. If you're choosing a health insurance policy, there are three features to look at first and foremost. In this quick video, we're going to look at the first one. The first one is network. What network does the policy operate on? Because that is what's going to determine whether you can actually use the insurance somewhere. And so when we talk about network, we're talking about, is it PPO, EPO, HMO, POS? And we're also talking about who is the network provider. I prefer, and most of what I write is on the big five. That's Cigna, Aetna, Humana, Blue Cross, and United Healthcare. Those are networks that are super strong. Anywhere you are in the country, that policy is going to be accepted by over 90% of doctors everywhere. It doesn't mean you can use it everywhere in the country. You'd have to be on a PPO really for that to be the case. But I'm just saying those networks are huge, they're large, and you're going to find that you're going to have specialists, primary care providers, hospitals galore to choose from if you're on that kind of network. Again, if it's also if it's PPO, you're going to be a little bit more limited if you're on a different type, HMO or something like that. But network is just super important. So a lot of people can save a ton of money and they say, well, I found this plan and it's only 126 a month instead of this 185 a month that you're showing me. But then they find out that when they try to use it, they can scarcely use it anywhere because it was on a different network like PHCS PPO. PHCS is Primary Healthcare Services. There's nothing bad about that. It's a relatively strong network. I would consider it second tier to the big five that I talked about a minute ago, Aetna and United Health Care and so forth. But if you're on PHCS, you're going to have to be way more discerning when you go online and really use that provider search to find a participating provider because they're going to be much fewer and farther between that accept that kind of a network. So of the three features when you're looking at healthcare policies that you look at, the first one is network. What network does the insurance operate on? Uh, Aetna PPO, Cigna PPO, United Healthcare HMO, what is the network? That's going to determine how easy it's going to be for you to use it in different places and whether it's going to be accepted. Hope that helps. Always reach out to me if you have other questions. This is Jason Malham with the Malham Agency. Those other two features will be coming in other videos.